Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the different sort options existing in Excel and how you can potentially unsort your data to get back to your original row order. There are quite a few options to sort your data. Apart from the usual ones like sorting numbers by ascending or descending order or sorting text alphabetically, you can add in your own custom lists so you can set the sort order that you would like to have. You can even add multiple levels and sort by color or even by icon. Let's check out a few examples in these and then we will take a look at how we can unsort our dataset. So this is our dataset with information about regions, division, apps and revenue. Let's say we just quickly want to take a look at the app having the highest revenue. All we have to do is to click into the revenue column as we would like to sort by revenue, right click, select sort and select largest to smallest. Excel will recognize that the rest of the column like apps, regions, division belongs to revenue, and that is because they are right next to each other without any gaps in between. If I want to see which data belongs together, all I need to do is to click anywhere inside my data, press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac, and Excel will highlight the data which belongs together. So whenever I use to sort option on any on there, Excel is going to sort this entire dataset and it can recognize that this dataset has a header as well, so it won't include the header into the sorting. You can also sort alphabetically, and for that you need to, let's say I want to sort by region, click into the region column, right click again, sort and select A to Z or Z to A. I choose A to Z and I get AP, EMEA, LA and NA. Now what happens if our dataset has some random text added in a different column? Let's say I write something here and here. I don't want these to be sorted, but check this. I press Ctrl A and Excel added this column to our dataset. That means this column will get automatically to be sorted. Let's test this. If I right click into revenue, sort from smallest to largest, you can see they get sorted as well. Let's hit the undo with the Ctrl Z or Command Z on Mac. If you want to exclude these, you need to highlight the area you want to sort. The alternate way of getting the highlighted dataset sorted is to go through Home tab on the top ribbon and on the right side see Sort and Filter. You can choose how you want to sort, or you can go to Custom Sort. You can also custom sort if you right click into the dataset, sort and select Custom Sort. With this you can fully control your dataset, and in case Excel doesn't recognize that your data has headers, just tick the My Data Has Header in the top right section. Now let's sort this dataset by revenue again, with smallest to largest, and since I highlighted all my data earlier, it won't impact the other columns. Let's say I want to sort division, but not by pre-built options. I want my own personal custom sort. I want game first, then utility and productivity. For this, I can add in my own list. All I have to do is to go to Custom Sort, either with right mouse click, Sort and Custom Sort, or from the top ribbon, Home, and then Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. Now the column should be division, as I want to sort those based on values, and for order I want to use custom list. Now on Mac is a little bit different because the next window can be found somewhere else. Let's go to Preferences under Formulas and Lists, go to Custom Lists and just type in the list you want it to be sorted. In my case, it's Game, Utility, and for the last Productivity, and hit the Add button. Now on Windows, this section comes up when you select Custom List. Once you selected your custom list, click OK and you will see the order here. Click OK again and we get the Game first, then Utility and Productivity. Now, if I want to add in more levels to this, let's say first I sort region and I want to sort division too. And after that app sorted as well. This calls for multiple levels. Again, we can right-click into region, sort, custom sort. First level we choose region and the order is A to Z, and after that I'm going to add a level to this. So just hit the Add Level button on the top left on Windows or hit the plus button on Mac. After regions, I want to sort divisions with my previously created custom list. After that again, I'm going to add another level and I'm going to sort the apps by revenue, so I select revenue and from smallest to largest. Now my data is organized first by regions, then division, by my custom list, and then the revenue. Let's see how I can sort based on color and icon. Let's say somebody previously highlighted some numbers here in yellow if something happens, and then green if something else happens. Now I want to focus on those colored numbers. I want to immediately sort this data based on color first and then based on our original sort order that we defined earlier. All I have to do is to go back and add 2 more options for the colors. You can move down or up the orders if you grab these lines. So I'm going to click Add another level to the bottom and then move it to the top. What I want to have is to sort the revenue column, but not based on values, but based on cell color, and that is what I will choose for sort on. Right after that, Excel recognizes the colors in that column. I'm going to use yellow and want them to be on the bottom. Now I'm going to grab and move this to the top, and right below it I add another level, which we use the green cell color and on top. Let's move this to the top again to have this in a logical order, and after that I want to use my original order. So this way I get the green cells first on top and then the yellow ones on the bottom, and then my original sort order. Let's say as an addition I was using conditional formatting. I quickly highlight this area and add a conditional formatting just to get in icons here. Now I go to conditional formatting, icon sets, more rules. Here you can define how you want them applied. I am fine with the default settings right now, and I get some green, yellow and red flags. Now once you are using icons in conditional formatting, you can also sort them. I'm going to go back to custom sort, so right click here. Let's delete the bottom 3 levels and add in a sort for the icons. To delete levels, go to Delete Levels button next to the Add Level button in the top left corner on Windows, or hit the minus button on Mac. Now to sort based on icons, I'm going to add the level, select my revenue again, and instead of selecting cell color, I choose cell icon. Let's say we put green first and then everything in yellow and red to the bottom. So we get our cell colors, and then we get the green ones, then yellow, and finally red ones. So what should I do if I want to get back my original sort order? Well, nothing, since I cannot get it back. The reason is Excel is not a database. it does not know which cell was in which line originally. The moment I apply a sorting to my data, the previous sorting is already forgotten. Of course, unless you press Ctrl Z or Command Z on Mac first. If you save your file and then you open it later and you want to go back to your original sort order, you can't. Although there is a way to get back the original order. Before you sort anything, insert a helper column. Before or after insert one and index it. Just type one and pull it down. Use fill series. Now, if you apply any filter or even multiple, you can sort it back to the original order with the helper column with smallest to largest. However, this is a decision you have to make upfront, otherwise you are going to lose the original sort order. So there were the different sort options and methods you can use. If you found this video useful, I would love you to leave the thumbs up, and if you are interested in these type of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in my next one.